All right, these questions are related to your general job search. How should I structure my daily job search routine? Great question. So treat your job search like a job. Dedicate specific hours each day to different activities, such as researching job openings, tailoring your resume, networking, and following up on applications. For example, spend the morning applying for jobs and the afternoon researching contacts on LinkedIn, for example, and reaching out to them as well. Break down tasks into manageable chunks and set daily or weekly goals to track your progress. Remember, include self-care, very important. So take breaks so that you're not experiencing some burnout to keep you motivated. Use a spreadsheet or a job search app to log the details, such as the job title, the company, the date that you've applied, and the next steps. When you followed up, want to write the date, if you've had interviews or not. So this habit can help you identify which types of roles or industries are yielding the most positive responses and adjust your approach if necessary. If you've had interviews, of course, write it down on that sheet as well. How can I stay motivated during a long job search? Now, it's true that sometimes a job search can take months, so staying motivated can be challenging, especially if the process takes a little longer than you expected. So set some small, achievable goals to celebrate progress along the way, and surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or peers who can provide you with some encouragement. In addition, focus on self-improvement by taking online courses, by attending workshops, by building new skills, and remind yourself that rejection is a normal part of the process and that each no brings you a step closer to the right opportunity.